it's a nice place to shoot videos, I think. Would you agree? It's just, you know, dragon boats and people yelling and stuff, but it's pretty. I want to talk about getting, in case anybody's stuck with the backward 2-beat weave, I want to get you unstuck. Because as long as you do each step, you can definitely get through this. So grab your poi, face this way with me. Step number 1 is you need to practice what each hand is going to do, or each poi is going to do. So say we're going to start with this one, crossing to the left shoulder first, left goes under. Left shoulder, left goes under. Left shoulder, left goes under. This is the backward 2-beat weave with the left poi under and the right poi on top. You'll also learn it the other way, with the right poi under and the left poi on top. But we're going to start with the left poi under. So practice the parts, of course. Right poi is going to be on top, so just practice the right poi going over the left arm. And remember, make sure, don't stand there stiff. Figure out how to let your whole body move with it. Your body's following the poi. That's going to make this easier in the long run. And then practice your left poi going under your right. And remember, the right, if I reach over here, it's much easier to go under it. Each time I reach over to go under. Because if I hold it out here, it's going to be tough to get under it, right? So I make it easy on myself. I reach over and I go under. Right goes over, left crosses under it. See that big ball? It's like I reach towards Science World and cross under my arm. I reach and cross under. You'll get it, don't worry. You already know it by now. But you need to prep the motor skills so that they fire the way you want them to. So once you've done that, what we're going to do is we're going to come back the same time and just do this with me. Just cross like that. Like there's an imaginary rainbow here, and you just fly along the rainbow. That's all. Along the rainbow. Yeah, easy. And then you go along the rainbow, what you're going to do, you're going to scoot the left poi under the right. Just like this. You can hold this poi if it didn't work. The hands go together, and the left poi goes under the right arm. And really go under, like make it really clear you go. You want to see that cross. If you're not seeing that cross, it's not going to work. So you go along the rainbow and cross. And I can really see the cross in my arms from the top. Cross under. Yeah. Over, cross under. And when I do 2 poi, it's the same thing. Along the rainbow, and I make the cross. So I can really see that in my arms. Along the rainbow, make the cross. Along the rainbow, make the cross. And you can do it a few times in a row. Along the rainbow, cross, and then together, and cross. And what's happening, the poi are flying same time at the rainbow, and then they're split time as I cross. And as you do it a few times in a row, you'll quickly click, and you'll left starts again, and then you go, oh, and suddenly it's going to click. And you'll be like, oh, I see. It's like this. Piece of cake. It'll, you know, once it's working, it'll suddenly be like a piece of cake. So same thing on the other side. You're going to do all the same steps, but on the other side, it's going to be the right under the left, and you'll have to maybe practice each step again. The right crossing under the left arm until that's sort of fired up in your motor skills, and the left crossing over the right arm until that's all prepped and ready to go in your motor skills. And then you're going to go along the rainbow and cut the right under, along the rainbow and under, along the rainbow and under, along the rainbow, under, and boom, 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 boom. And now they're going along the rainbow, split time and under, and split time and under, and split time and under. Same thing, you need to see that cross. Because what happens is people, when it doesn't work, they go like this, and they let the left lead back. That means your arms stayed parallel, and it'll never work like that. So the trick is really, it's only going to work if you go kaboom, and you make X marks the spot with your arms. As soon as you get that, then you've got it. It can be at your wrists or your elbows, but you really need to see the cross. And then that's going to click, and then you'll be like, is that it? Is that all it was? I've still got this. I've got it on this side. I got it on this side, and then I got it on this side. And the next thing you know, it'll be the 3-beat weave, and then you'll be turning, you'll be the windmill, and it's just going to be all the things.